Hi everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the Peplink POTS Adapter. I'm going to do three things for you today. The first thing I'm going to do is unbox the product so you see everything that's included with it. I am then going to show you how easy it is to set it up, and then I'm going to quickly talk about a couple of use cases that you can use for this device and what this device is specifically for. So let's get into it. Here is the Peplink POTS Adapter in its case. If I open it up, you can see I get the Peplink device. I get a quick start guide, and then over on this side I have my power supply, the AC adapter, and then it also comes with the two cellular antennas, and that's what's included in the box. Everything you need to get it up and running. There are some additional accessories that you can purchase. One would be a DC cable, because a lot of times the AC adapter isn't the right fit for it, so you need DC power source, an additional accessory that you can purchase. And then some other mounting stuff, like a DIN rail mount you can purchase as well. Okay, so that covers what's in the box. Let's talk about how easy it is to set up. So really all you have to do is take your phone line with your RJ11 and plug it right into one of the two RJ11 ports. So just to point something out, there are two RJ11 ports, as you can see. You can only make one call at a time. This is just basically a splitter. This is for if you have to connect two devices like a fax machine and a phone. For whatever reason, if the fax doesn't have a phone on it, you can connect a separate phone to this. Again, just a splitter, not a second phone line, so you can only make one call at a time. Once I insert the SIM, which is in the back of here, this will only take one SIM. This does not have a dual SIM port. Once I insert the SIM, power the device on, you will see three lights right here for indication. The first one is a status light. The bottom one is your cellular connectivity. And the third one in the middle is the phone. Once all three of those have gone solid, your device is up and ready to go. So when you plug in your phone into one of the jacks, you pick it up, you will get a dial tone. Please note that you have to have voice and data on this device. You need a voice line for this to work properly. It's not just a data device. Next, let's talk about use cases. This isn't your office type phone. You're not going to replace all of your desk phones with this product. What you're going to replace is all the phones that are in a company that don't have handsets really to them. So think about elevators. This is perfect for an elevator system. If you think about alarm panels, whether it's a fire alarm or if it's some sort of a security alarm, right? Perfect use case for that. Other use cases would be emergency phones. I call them blue light phones out in campuses. They could be pool phones for a hotel. They could be lobby phones for a hotel. That's what this device is for. Now, real quickly around security systems and fire alarm panels, this is compliant to safety regulations for those type of applications. Specifically for fire alarms, you will have to have a fire marshal certify the entire setup. Just note that this is compliant for all those regulations. So once it's all in there, you should be all set to go with that. With that, that kind of wraps up everything that I have to offer today. If you guys have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.